Welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here. So the next topic is slicer. So if we go into the data, we got an option here that is slicer, right? So if we click on slicer, it is same like a filter, right? So I can drag it anywhere, right? For example, I put it here. Then I have all two tabs here into my right side. One is data and next one is customize, right? I can add any column into my data section, right? I have selected month, right? And then I have a customize option, right? How can I change my font size, font, bold, italic and alignment, all the things. For example, monthly reports, clear? And I am closing this section, right? So it will behave like a same way our filters behave. Like for example, I just want to select April month. I can click on April and automatically it will give me a report of April. For example, I also want to display the report of December. I will select December. I can click OK, and you guys can see now we have a report of December and April as well. Same way, if I want to select January also, I will click on January and click on OK, and you guys can see now we have a data of 3 months. So the slicer is also same as uh, filters, right? So based upon a column, we can filter entire data using slicer. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep practicing. If you guys have any query question, please let me know and we will sort out it personally. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching. Have a very good day.